Wondering if thousands of miles away the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-da-da-da. Oh, today I am time traveling.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in an lover. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing at her all and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love you only to me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, but then we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is supposed. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like a piece of people just escape from the room. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these world disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. Romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay. say, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a bore. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love, and everyone is looking like the crazy people just escaping from the room. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me, well I make fun of you, but we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love. You make fun of me, well I make fun of you, but we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. As a glove, I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love.
They say love is free, but it's more than you can see. It's a song, it's a melody, it's the beat of you and me. It takes more than words to know. It takes more than bills to show.